Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about piecewise function. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to find the value of m and n to make sure that the function f defined by, that means the limit on the left and the limit on the right of this one should be equals. So we have number 2 and number 2 in here. So we have the limit on the left of number 2 will equals to the limit on the right of number 2. So we need to find the limit of this one first. So on the left of number 2, we just have this one. Now, we know that number 4, that's about 2 square. And we have the formula in here. A square minus b square equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this one, we need to transform this one into this one. So we have 2 minus s multiplied by 2 plus s. So we put negative on numerator and denominator. So we need to change the sign of this one, and we have 2 minus s. Later that, this one simplified by this one. And now I will put number 2 cone here. And we have negative number 8. Now we go back in here. This one equals to negative number 8. And now we have the limit on the right of number 2 in here. That is about this one. So I will put positive number 2 in here. And now we can simplify like this. Number 5 with number 2, we have number 10. And now I will put number 10 go to the left. And we have like this. Now we put negative number 18 going here. And we have m equals to negative 18. Now we need to find the limit of s approach to number 3 on the left and on the right, similar for this one in here. So on the left of number 3, so f of s, that is about this one. Now we put number m equals to negative 18 going here. And I will put number 3 going here. So this one, we have negative number 3 on the right. So we have f of s, that is about this one. So I will put number 3 cone here, number 3 cone here. we have 21 plus n. So we have this equation. And now I will put number 21 go to the left. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.